NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Answer. Let the endpoints of the given line segment be A of 4, -1 and B of -2, -3. The point of trisection divides the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. The first point of trisection divides the segment in the ratio 1:1 + 1, which is 1:2. And the second point of trisection divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1 + 1:1, which is 2:1. Hence, the points of trisection divide the line segment internally in the ratios 1:2 and 2:1 respectively. Now let us use this section formula. A point dividing the line segment joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 internally in the ratio m:n has coordinates mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Let us find the first trisection point. The ratio m:n is 1:2. Therefore, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. x1, y1 is equal to 4, -1. x2, y2 is equal to -2, -3. Formula for the point is P of x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Let us substitute the values. M is 1, x2 is -2 plus n is 2, x1 is 4 by m is 1 plus n is 2. Then we have m is 1, y2 is -3 plus n is 2, y1 is -1 by 1 plus 2. That is equal to 1 of -2 is -2 plus 2 times 4 is 8. -2 plus 8 by 3. 1 of -3 is -3 plus 2 of -1 is -2 by 3. -2 plus 8 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. -3 minus 2 is -5, which is equal to -5 by 3. So the first trisection point is 2, -5 by 3. Now let us find the second trisection point. For the second trisection point, the ratio m:n is 2:1. Therefore, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. x1, y1 is 4, -1 and x2, y2 is -2, -3. The section formula is x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Let us substitute the values in this formula. X, y is equal to m is 2 of x2 is -2 plus n is 1 of x1 is 4 by m is 2 plus n is 1. M is 2 of y2 is -3 plus n is 1 of y1 is -1 by m is 2 plus n is 1, which is equal to 2 of -2 is 4 plus 1 times 4 is 4. -4 plus 4 by 3. And the y coordinate 2 of -3 is -6 plus 1 of -1 is -1. -6 -1 by 3. -4 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0 by 3, that is equal to 0. X coordinate is 0. -6 -1 is -7. Therefore, y coordinate is -7 by 3. Thus, the second trisection point is 0, -7 by 3. Therefore, The points of trisection of the given line segment are 2, minus 5 by 3 and 0, minus 7 by 3. Answer for the question: find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3 is 2, minus 5 by 3 and 0, minus 7 by 3.